Hi guys, welcome to this week's Raw and Uncut. On this week's episode we're discussing why meal prep is not important.
So, Chris, try that again.
Mole prep.
Mole prep.
You need to prep your mole. You see Chris.
You got a mole?
That's a good start, isn't it?
So
It's been a long day.
I've read this week's email, which you should have. If you haven't read this week's email, how do you get on it?
Your email.
On the website.
Yeah, go to our email and go to
You
our
can
website.
sign up and you can get weekly emails.
Just put your email in the box that says put your email in there.
There is no sale, it's just decent content every week. Anyway,
I'm actually staying early, so I can't speak.
right,
I don't know.
just eating it.
Yeah, I have eaten.
Prep food.
I have prepped my food.
So, meal prep. If you flick through any Instagram or Facebook, you'll probably see Tupperware pots. And I think when you first start
Well,
diving,
you see people with Tupperware pots. You don't just see Tupperware pots, do you?
Tupperware pots.
Meal prep.
It's like they just
Meal prep.
popped a home bargain. It's got a 6-pack of Tupperware, and I think they're like hashtag prepping, hashtag lifestyle. It's like,
Six-pack Tupperware from Bottom Bargains?
yep.
Wow. 6-pack
He's
off.
he's
6-pack.
he's
Oh right, it's a six-pack
It's
Tupperware.
Tupperware.
He's obviously after another one from Home Bargains, like expecting like a Tupperware delivery anytime soon.
So I think when you first start, I think misconception is you have to look in from an outsider in. You've got to be like that to get the result. So you have to prep every single meal. You've got to leave your house with 6 Tupperware pots, and you've got to eat plain food to get a result. And like I said in my email, I only prep half of my meals, and that's because I'm at home. So my morning meal, I've prepped it because I'm at home, and my evening meal, I prepped it because I'm at home. That's the only time I ever prep my food. In the day, I tend to just buy and grab and go it.
It costs them a fortune.
It doesn't. Because if you buy a packet rice, it does. But I know it's easy measures. So if you're stuck for time or you're a person that's on the move quite a lot, Uncle Ben saved my life.
Wow, that should
God,
have been the name of this.
But like, you know exactly how many carbs in that packet. Whether you split over 2 meals or 1 meal, you know that's your carb allowance. It's 80 grams of carbs, it's so many calories, it's 370 calories a pack. It's easy, rather than going home, you get your scales out. If you're doing that, then great, awesome work. If you are prepping your food, not bagging on it, it's great.
You find it hard as well, isn't it? This is an easy way around.
This is more for people that think they have to do it that way to get a result. You don't have to.
Can I come at it from completely disagree with you?
Yeah, you do.
Right. I agree with what Chris is trying to say. He's absolutely right. It's not necessary. You don't have to go down the extreme of carrying your food with you everywhere and making sure that, you know what I mean? Because it's not a pleasant way to eat, really, is it? You know, reheat your food is not necessarily a good thing either, and blah, 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 blah. However, it really comes down to your mindset. I personally know that if my food isn't prepped, I probably won't eat. So as I'm dieting at the moment, I know that I have to bring my meals with me, because if I didn't, I probably wouldn't get up and go and buy anything, and then I'd go all day and not eat, which was my routine until I started dieting. Yeah. Now I'm bringing them in. So you have to look at your mindset. If you're the kind of person, you know that if you don't prepare your meals and take them with you, you'll miss the whole day and then come home and then be absolutely ravenous and just raid the kitchen. Then it's probably best that you do prep, but it's not 100%. It's not the only way to get a result.
It's not an essential factor in it.
No, at all. You know.
I think meal prep puts people off sometimes, like they're trying to lose weight and there's so much pressure and other bits and bobs.
Stops them from starting. When you're first starting anything, I think looking in you can't be asked attitude as well.
Yeah.
So fuck me, when I'm prepping my food now.
Yeah.
But if you know what to go for when you go to the supermarket, you can buy pre-packed chicken breast, which are just 100% chicken breast. You don't have to go for the shit that's got.
I think the more sort of angle Chris coming on with this video is that if you don't feel like you can prep or you feel like you have to, there are alternatives ready to buy that you can grab and go that aren't going to make your diet crap and full of excess calories you don't need.
Yeah, you can prep some meals. You're at home and you can prep that meal. You can cook it from fresh. But if you're out and about on the road, a lot of people drive for a job now, so you can literally just grab and go. So
It is time consuming.
I think a prime example of the two foods you've given there is I feel like I've got to prep my chicken and rice.
Yeah.
But you can buy on the go rice and buy on the go chicken and put them together like there's no need for you to spend.
There's a cost, isn't it?
Yeah, that's
So
right.
there's a cost implication.
Yeah.
But you know, it's weighing up the two, isn't it? It's a cost and a time implication, isn't it? So eating on the go is costly, but it saves you time. meal prep. So that I probably spend about an hour, just over an hour each night prepping my food for the next day.
Yeah.
I don't want to. I want to get home and I want to have my dinner and I want to just chill. I don't want to be doing anything else. I don't really want to spend an additional hour in the kitchen and getting out of the kitchen at 9 o'clock at night.
Well,
Going
the
to
thing
do it
is,
all again.
most people don't know how to cook anymore to make food tasty. So
That's a big one when it comes to food. If we're going to talk about food prep, you're absolutely right. That's the big one.
It's making the food tasty. Where I can now go into a food warehouse and they even do. I'm gonna get a bag where there's a PT but you can get like stir fry packs, which has got everything in that bag. It's got chicken in it, it's got peppers in it, and it's got noodles in it. Everything in that bag, rip it open, goes in the
And you
water.
know exactly what's in it.
And there's no shit in it.
I tell you what, if you below this video, if you take a photo of your day, like do you feel you food prep or you not food prep? So if it's like you go into the local garage and you buy like I don't know a spicy sausage, right? Just take a photo of it, say meal prep, right? Just on this, that's all it is. Photo of meal prep. The funniest one, or the best idea, we will give you one of our recipe books.
Yeah.
Yeah? Cool. You can come by the gym, and if you're not near the gym, we'll send you one of our recipe books. But the funniest one will win, or the best, like as in one that's going to really help a lot of people with the way you found your way of being able to prep your food. Whatever it is, we'll choose one or two, and then we'll send you a recipe book. Cool. But yeah, food has to be.
I think
it's a lifestyle as well.
It has to, even though I'm dieting, I'm still adding flavour to my food. I really do struggle to just eat. I'll tell you one real simple one. Chicken, if you're doing chicken and broccoli, it's an awful way to diet. However, if you take a spoonful of peanut butter, like a good peanut butter, and just throw that in at your chicken, just as it's cooked, throw that in. I can't believe we're doing recipe on it. Throw a spoonful of that in, just a spoonful, it's not a massive amount. That will give you. That will give you berry berry. Yeah. That will give you just give you a bit of texture, a bit of flavour to your food, a bit of soy sauce and a bit of.
Leche butter, spoon in the thing, on the chicken, and that is sexy in 15. Whatever that shit is. That you did a wiener book.
You can't.
A what?
I think it's brilliant.
I didn't mention him at all. No, you didn't. But someone's doing a wiener book now as well, don't they?
What?
A wiener book.
What's that?
It's a wiener book.
Like when you serve off food.
My baby book.
Oh, it's in baby.
Oh really? Like get your kids jacked. 18 months old like that. But yeah,
what are you going to look at as well with books?
soy sauce, peanut butter, bosh.
And books as well, huh?
He's got a massive hair growing out of his neck.
Right? Yeah, when you go looking at books as well, you know when you buy like, if you go into if you go into Waterstones and you look at different celebrities that are endorsing different diets, they haven't done that diet.
No.
It's always a doctor has written that research and they put their name to it.
Yeah.
I mean,
It's
just
like
because
Not in all cases, but in most cases. And also people that are endorsing celebrities endorsing. That's like shit ways to eat, like soups and shakes and stuff that really have no nutritional value. I think if you're following a diet where your hair falls out, probably are not good
You
diet.
see that they're stopping celebrity trainers.
Celebrity trainers.
Yeah, like not celebrity trainers, but celebrities who are like promoting like gym workouts and DVDs and saying, "Oh, I've done this and I've lost weight."
You know, if I just fall asleep.
No, you want my recipes.
No, we're on about supplements and stuff like that and shakes and sleeps.
Sorry.
Wow.
Is that coffee actually working?
I thought I was having a long day. I think Aisha feels like have you been here like every hour, like since Monday? Yes. Wow. Yeah. So anyway, this is Aisha. She pays attention all the time. But yeah, I think that again.
do your research on whatever you see.
Fooled. It comes down to two things. You got to watch what you eat, as in being aware of what you're eating. You don't necessarily have to be a clean eating animal, vegan.
What's clean
Most
eating?
things, right?
What's cleaning?
Clean eating,
Right?
right?
Vegan friends.
And you need to get some exercise. That's it.
I got vegan friends.
Huh?
Delete out your phone and look
I unfollowed someone on Instagram today and they went 10 years vegan. I didn't realise they were vegan until today. I was like, unfollow. More stuff like unfollow.
He has a real phobia of vegans and
There's
Morrisons.
some good research published today about how vegan people turn it, if the whole of the British public turned vegan today, how it would impact our economy and our way of life, and it would be detrimental to the way we live.
As long as you're tracking your food and you're consistent with it, you'll be fine. And then just have some patience. It's going to take weeks. I'm just coming to the end of 3 weeks of diet, and I've only got another 17 weeks to go.
Even you're
I can't
scales, aren't you? Even you're doing that.
I do it once a week.
Yes, I mean,
Yeah.
even you're doing that. But I'm saying, and that's how you're
that's
in the
how
know,
you
aren't you?
Yeah.
You're gonna
Encourage
know.
yourself to
Yeah, I check the scales once a week. I have to because I have to check in, but I have to let coach know what I'm doing.
It's legs on it.
Yeah, but you know, but I'm not doing it every day. I'm not checking myself every day. It's pointless because you know.
You do in the mirror.
You do.
I do
You
in
check
the
yourself
mirror.
every day.
In the mirror, but the
Mrs. checks every day over here.
so
Yeah, you
check
check
your weight every day.
every day.
What?
You check your weight every day. Yep.
I call you this morning coming out with your shoes off.
You will see us taking that room of shoes
back on.
What are we doing? I mean,
See, do you know what? Do you know what? Do you know what I think really makes really good coaches is when you've got a few issues yourself.
I got many.
We know. One of the reasons why we hired you. You've got multiple
You've
issues.
got
you're
loads of
like-
issues. Come to the Asia.
We tend, yeah. I think a good coach. I think a good coach is somebody that does grasp it.
yeah.
What was it I read somewhere? Oh, we can't go into it. But there is a company who,
I'm not going to say.
you know what I'm on about this. How do I word that without naming names?
What's it, 10%?
Yeah.
There's a training company that if someone works for them, they don't like their body fat to be above a certain percentage. So if you go and work for that company, you could be a great coach and you could be
The best in the
the
knowledge.
best coach, the most knowledge, you can help a lot of people, but unless you're below a certain body fat, you can't work for them.
Okay, that's cool.
Coach is in very great shape.
But immediately that tells you what, you know, the kind of clientele they're looking for, you know, like, and I think, again, this is the damaging, I'm not saying, look, it's cool if that's what you want, then they're looking for you, but I think it's quite damaging to people's psyche if they think that the only way to be in shape, absolutely, the only way, in shape means ripped, and if you're not ripped, then
This is
you're
a
not in shape.
discussion I had with a client the other day, and their sort of like the general perspective of health and fitness is, have you got a six pack? That's like the epitome of health and fitness.
Yeah.
But how healthy are those people that have actually got them internally and mentally as well? Like,
Right.
But that's social, isn't it?
but that's, I think that's another raw and uncut for next week.
I've worked with people who, you know, back in the day, who looked the epitome of health, but man, if you'd seen the amount of pharmacological drugs they were using, they certainly weren't healthy.
No.
They really weren't. So, you know, so again, when you're looking at your, I'm not saying everybody, but if you're comparing yourself to somebody who has the time to train, has the time to eat, has access to maybe certain supplements that you don't have access to, let's just put it that way, then you set yourself up to fail. You know, choose your heroes well.
You could be. I think I was watching James Smith live the other night, and he hit it on the head, and he said you can constantly compare yourself. But when we look at Instagram and health and fitness, you compare yourself to the Ryan Terrys, and the fitness
top
people.
of the industry,
You don't drive down the street and park your Ford Fiesta next to a Lamborghini and go, oh. You don't do that. You go, oh. You don't look at the Forbes list and go and look at their balance and look at your balance and go, oh. You don't do that, but we do in health and fitness.
Yeah.
I like that analogy. It was a great analogy. Why we always compare ourselves. So yeah, I think it's a great analogy.
But I don't think anybody's happy with what they look like, even if they're right.
Yeah, they're not.
I think that's the whole, it's really, really funny, but that's the whole fitness, I use fitness, but that's the whole industry, whether it's weight loss industry, fitness industry, lifting, whatever it is.
Yeah.
Everybody's doing it because there's something they're not happy about.
Yeah.
I would say 99% of people are doing something because they want to change something about their mind, their body, their health, yeah? And then, there's the 1% who are just, they love it all, and they're always in shape, and that's how they are. They're just, but 90%, 99% of people are like, I have to. And the way I explain fitness, if you're starting a fitness program and you've started one and you've started it again and you've tried several times and in the back of your head you're still going, yeah, it's probably still going to quit by March. Let's put it this way: if you went to the dentist and you went, I want brand new white pearly teeth, and you spend the money on having it done, That's like, for me, going to the gym is starting a program and then getting somewhere and getting that result and then not doing it. It's like going to the dentist, getting your teeth all white and then never brushing your teeth again.
And expecting them to stay like that.
And expecting them to stay white. Yeah. It's a lifestyle change, guys. That's what it's about. And it doesn't have to be a drastic lifestyle change. It could be the fact that you go, right, I'm not going to drink wine Monday to Thursday. That's a change, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm only going to have a glass of wine on Friday and then go out
Two
on
things
Saturday.
that is small and achievable.
Yeah, it is achievable.
And maintainable.
If you find that you need a glass of wine every night, then maybe you probably
But then I think if you're going to have a lifestyle change, you need to have people around you that are going to actually support you. Because if you have, you have some friends that think, oh, you're boring, you're not going out tonight.
Well, I get it. I get it. I was getting it all the time. I don't get so much now, but yeah.
You've got friends will have friends. Shut up, Chris.
Yeah, I usually get it. I didn't know. I went to watch rugby this weekend, and nobody said anything about me not drinking. But usually, you're not drinking. Oh, you're boring.
Not boring. But it's your choice.
But that's more about them than it is about you, isn't it?
Yeah, I know. But it's what that just have people around you that actually motivate you.
Yeah. I actually feel better when I'm hungry. I feel better. I sleep better.
You wake up better.
I'm a lot more alert. I'm much better in business. Everything. Much better in bed. Yeah, good. We can't discuss that. I can even admit or deny that statement. Confident. Yeah. I want sex with you right now. It's not really doing anything for you, mate, you know?
No.
Do you know what?
I don't know where we've gone with this.
I can only apologise. I roll and cuts. But do you know what? Before we do these, we sit there and we have a discussion about what we're going to discuss. And we all start off with something very sensible. And then it just turns to shit.
I misheard.
Mate, I'm going to stop. I think we should probably make sure Aisha from now on stays behind the camera. If you want Aisha to stay behind the camera, not be involved in these, please comment below. Aisha out. Yes. Hashtag Aisha out.
Hashtag Aisha in.
And we'll remove or hashtag Aisha in. But it's only Aisha. You can't actually use any. You can't remove us. No.
It's lucky it's hashtag in Asia, wasn't it? It's like in Asia.
It's like
Hashtag remove Chris.
No,
you can't.
Alright, any questions? Pop underneath.
Don't forget to put your meal prep pictures underneath.
Yeah, we'll get you a recipe book. It's a good recipe book, isn't it?
Yeah,
it's
very good.
Yeah, I like it. It's good recipes. Yeah.
Have a great weekend, and we'll see you next Friday on Raw and Uncut.
Take care.
See you soon.
I've been having dreams, jumping on a trampoline, flipping in the air. I never land, just float a bit.